Prepare to have your mind scrambled by an everyday superfood you've probably got sitting in your fridge right now. Yes, that little unassuming egg you casually toss into your morning skillet packs an arsenal of unexpected benefits you won't believe, until you see how it can totally transform your body from the inside out. Curious? You should be. Let's crack open the facts. Think of an egg like a tiny bomb of essential nutrients just waiting to go off, in a good way. One swift break of the shell releases high-quality protein that fires up muscle growth and repairs tissues, making you feel stronger and more energetic. Inside that bright yellow yolk, antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin sharpen your vision, which is great if you're tired of squinting at that phone screen. And here's a shocking twist. Despite their cholesterol content, eggs can actually improve your heart health. Studies have shown that eating them in moderation doesn't necessarily spike your cholesterol levels, but can help maintain the balance between the good and bad stuff swirling through your bloodstream. Ever feel groggy and sluggish later in the day? Eggs might be the perfect midday pick-me-up. These little powerhouses are brimming with choline, a vital nutrient that kicks your brain into high gear and helps prevent mental fog. Choline also supports memory retention, so you won't have to scramble around for your keys again. In fact, try adding an egg or two to your lunch routine. Combined with some veggies or whole grain toast, you'll coast through the afternoon with steady energy rather than crashing face first into your desk. If you're on a mission to eat healthier, eggs are your new best friend. With satisfying protein and healthy fats, they can help keep those pesky cravings at bay, meaning you're less likely to raid the snack cabinet an hour later. Let's not forget their versatility factor. Fry them, scramble them, poach them, bake them. There's practically no end to how you can incorporate eggs into meals. Their neutral taste lets them play nice with almost any flavor profile, from spicy jalapenos to sweet berries and fluffy breakfast soufflés. Throw them into salads, top off a pizza, or whisk them up into a savory quiche. Your palate will thank you, and your schedule will too, because cooking eggs takes mere minutes. You might be wondering if egg yolks are lurking with hidden dangers. Admittedly, the yolk is where both LDL and HDL cholesterol reside. LDL can increase the bad cholesterol in diet-sensitive folks, and on the flip side, HDL removes excess cholesterol, helping lower the risk of heart disease and fueling vital brain health. The yolk is also packed with most of the egg's vitamins and minerals, especially all those fat-soluble vitamins, like vitamin D for strong bones, and that extra protein boost. For most people, yolks can be part of a healthy diet without sending cholesterol numbers through the roof. Of course, it's always smart to keep your overall diet balanced, so there's no need to fear the yolk like it's some forbidden ingredient. The benefits don't just end with nutrition. Eggs have also been linked to helping maintain stable blood sugar levels, lowering inflammation, and even assisting your immune system thanks to their abundance of nutrients. There you have it. Immune support, vision protection, muscle repair, stable energy, and mouth-watering versatility, all inside that humble shell. So keep a carton on hand, because once you discover the nutrient-packed difference eggs can make in your everyday life, you'll never see your plate the same way again.